Dad.
Hello.
What are we making today?
We're making Chinese mushrooms.
Chinese mushrooms? What goes in a Chinese mushroom?
Well, we shall show you.
Okay.
We shall show you. Just watch and learn.
So what's our first ingredient?
Well, first we have to slice the spring onions.
Okay, how do we do that?
But you do it in a special way.
Okay.
First of all, you cut them.
Ooh, that was magic.
And the green bit, you cut that into 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Then you get the other bit and you slice it on your fingers and you slice it into half and then half each piece again.
And how many onions did you do?
I've done, I don't know, I've done a few. I've done a few there. Oh, there's a few. There they are, there. There they are, all done. But now, you need a bigger knife. Excuse me. Go into my knife drawer. Harley, you alright? Here it goes. Now you've got to cut these into 2-inch pieces. Or roughly 2-inch pieces. Like that.
And then do you put them all in the same bowl?
No. You keep the green bits in that bowl. And the other pieces in that bowl.
Okay.
Okay, you'll see what happens with them later on.
Okay.
And you get your musky rooms. Piece of kitchen towel. Fold it over like that. And you give them a bit of a wipe.
Oh look, their skin comes off.
And you de-skin them.
Do you have to do all those mushrooms that way?
Well, you can do all of them that way, yeah, if you want.
How many are you doing?
Well, I'm going to do all of them.
Okay, well, we'll come back. Oh, look, all the mushrooms are done. Now what are you doing, Dad?
I'm thinly slicing them. Thinly slicing them. Making sure they're thinly sliced. And you go slice, 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 slice. Stick it in the bowl. Slice, 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 slice. Like that. And when you've done them all, they'll all be thinly sliced. Mind your fingers.
Okay, I'll join you in a sec.
Okay.
So let's go over our list of ingredients. What do we have over here, Phil?
Sliced mushrooms.
Oh, sliced mushrooms.
Sliced white onions.
Yep.
There. Finely sliced white onions.
Yep.
Finely sliced or sliced spring onions.
Yep.
And that's the green
Bit of
of the spring onions.
Okay. And in here we have 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, and a little bit of sesame oil.
Okay.
And in here we have soy sauce,
Yeah.
water,
Right.
pepper,
Okay.
and that's what goes in there.
Okay. And garlic.
And garlic, yes,
And a
and
bit of
garlic.
sesame
and
oil.
sesame oil,
Okay.
which we will need.
So I've got to
And then
put
over here
is
we
rice.
have rice.
Rice.
Okay.
That's cold rice.
Yeah.
A couple of days up. Well, 1 day old cold rice.
Okay.
Or in our case, yeah.
Yeah, as long as it's cold.
Yeah.
And you
I could put some
wiggled
sesame.
it through and made it all separated out and everything else.
Yeah, no clumps.
No
No
clumps.
clumps. Well, you've
Okay.
got to get rid of the...
So, here we go.
How many spoonfuls?
Just wait.
Oh.
Heat a wok over medium-high heat. Spread 1.5 tablespoons of oil around the perimeter of the wok. So, do a circle.
1.5.
Tablespoons.
Like that. All right.
Yeah, okay.
Is that right?
Yeah.
A bit more.
That looks good. Okay, now it says, get your beaten eggs
Yeah.
and put them in your wok and scramble them until they are just barely cooked.
This isn't hot enough yet, is it?
No, but you might want to grab another plate because you're going to have to put your scrambled eggs on something.
A plate?
Or in something because you're going to have to take them off the heat.
Okay.
Get one of those blue bowls, baby. And you can just put them into the blue bowl. Because you want them just barely cooked, and it says don't let them get brown. Just want them cooked.
Okay. Right. So I'm waiting for this to get a bit warm. Just warming me wok.
Say hi to your fans.
Hey. Right, okay, so this has got to go in there now?
Yep. And then you just want to scramble it up, but don't let it get brown. And as you're scrambling
how much
it,
oil did you put in there?
I put in.
Well, there's oil in the pan as well.
Yeah, well, it said to do that.
First.
And you want to make sure that it goes into smaller pieces as you're scrambling it.
It's like the bloody Torrey Canyon somewhere.
It smells good.
Turn it over. Right, okay. And do what once it's lightly done?
Once it's cooked, but not brown yet, so like, you know, we don't want it like fried, but it does have to be cooked.
Yeah.
Then take it out and put it into another dish because you got to take it off the heat. You can probably use the wooden one now.
Yeah, right.
Scratching the wall. Ooh, that looks pretty masterful through the screen here.
Does it?
Yeah, like you know what you're doing. You've done this before, haven't you?
Scrambled a few eggs in the time. That's why I don't know what. Well, I could have done it in the microwave.
I was just thinking that. I wonder if you could have done this stuff in the microwave.
Yeah,
Probably.
yeah, because they did come out nice
Yeah.
in the microwave. If ever you want a tip, do your eggs in the microwave. Right, that's it. It's all done then.
Okay.
Right, mind yourself, guys.
Okay.
Right, put the bowl here. Put the bowl here. And I'm going to scrape it in there. Alright, mind your hands on that. Oh, now I've got a dirty wok. Come on, doesn't matter. Don't worry.
You want a tip for cleaning the wok?
Huh?
You want a tip for cleaning the wok?
Put it in the dishwasher?
No.
Don't know.
Put it back on the burner. Take a piece of kitchen towel, throw it in there, and get the little grabber things, and just spin it around once, and voila, clean wok. Doesn't matter though. I mean, it's all gonna go in there anyway, though. Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Okay.
You could start a business up.
Okay.
Wok Cleaning
Right.
Solutions. Huh?
So now you need
WCS.
oil around it again.
Oil again. Oh, blimey. Jesus. Yeah,
Okay. Whoa.
that's enough.
That's enough. And now we're gonna do our onions and our garlic.
Onions and garlic.
Yeah.
Onions first.
Yeah.
Garlic last.
Yeah.
Oh, got a bit of egg on here.
It's all right. 'Cause
That's all right.
It's all gonna get added into the same pot.
Oh, there's my OCD.
Yeah.
Onions first.
Onions first.
And these is going in last, isn't it?
Yeah.
Onions?
Yeah. And we're gonna cook those for 1 to 2 minutes.
Right, is that what it says, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Put the beeper on.
The beeper on.
1:30. Kitchen timer. Oh shit. No. Stop. Kitchen timer. 1:30. Start. There. Is it showing up good in the light?
Mm-hmm.
Bit of salt?
No.
Bit of wine?
No. No wine.
Right. That's
Okay.
just,
You've still got 50 seconds.
oh, I haven't done it yet. Yeah. No. Right. Got enough oil in there?
That sounds like it. There's another spot where you're going to be adding some more oil. So for now, this is enough. And when the timer goes off, then you can add your garlic.
Yeah.
And you cook that for 30 seconds.
And I've got to take this out?
Okay, now you put your everything stays in the pot now.
Yeah.
Yep.
Including the mushroom?
Well, no, we'll take it out.
Now what goes in then?
Oh, not the garlic. Garlic in. Sorry, Harley.
Very long.
30 seconds. You just want to get the garlic warming.
Harley.
And then you do another round of oil.
Good.
Okay.
Alright. More oil. Right, now 30 seconds.
Yeah. You give that a good stir.
Oh yeah, I can smell it.
Can you?
Stinking.
What?
Yeah.
I don't think you're supposed to say it's stinking when you're cooking it. I think you're supposed
The
to say
aroma
there you go. It's lovely.
is getting right up my nostrils.
Okay, now put another round of oil.
Oh no, hang on.
How much oil
Really?
do you have in there?
Does it say that?
Yeah, it does. And you put your mushrooms in.
Alright.
Okay, and now your mushrooms.
How many long outdoor mushrooms?
And
How long does this
then
go
your
on?
mushrooms go on for about 2 minutes or until they are lightly browned and caramelized.
Right, these Moses. No wine?
No wine.
Well, I've got to get them down the bottom of the pan. Did I meant to take the onions out?
Nope. You're not taking anything out.
They're going to have to take.
No, because your,
They just chucked them
mushrooms...
right in, did they?
Yeah, your mushrooms will cook down, remember?
Yeah, but... Don't think I've got too many, do you?
Well, how many did
Holy
they say
smoke.
use? They said to use
The arm's aching here.
2 cups, 4 cups of mushrooms.
Oh, right, yeah. Oh,
So,
these big cups.
so. Okay, we'll come back to you when our mushrooms are cooked down.
You know, there's water in there now. So we've
That's
got to get
good.
rid of that.
Yeah. So we're checking in with our onions and our mushroom. And as you can see, they have
That's been on for
gone
2
down a
minutes.
bit.
So now we've got to put them on for another 2
Another
minutes.
2
'cause
minutes.
the steam's coming out of them.
Yeah. The other thing we've done is over here we have put on a pot of water because with our
Yeah.
meal we're going to have these wonderful noodles that Dad found at the Chinese grocery when he was there yesterday. They are stir-fry noodles and they're really, really good actually. Very quick though. They only take like
Yeah.
3 minutes.
I asked them, I said, have you got shallots? And the bloke said, no, I always walk like this.
Oh my goodness. That's walk joke. Walk this way.
Phew, look at the water in there. There you
coming
go,
out.
see? Yeah, I know, mushrooms full of water there. It's the same as blooming beef, isn't it? It's full of water. And bacon? Jeepers! Crap that comes out of there.
Dad's not very impressed with Canadian bacon.
Need
It's
a
not
nice,
proper.
nice bit of Danish bacon or something like that. Huh?
You probably like Pinion bacon.
I don't never heard of that.
It's from Ontario. Okay, so what have you got in your pot here?
I've got the mushrooms, the onions, and garlic in there so far. And at the moment, they're not frying, they're steaming.
No, they do. It did say like.
Well, that's 4 minutes they've been on there. 4.
Okay.
I'm trying to follow a recipe here. Oh. He said,
Oh well, okay, that's okay actually
What?
because it says you sort of have to steam the rice, so that's probably why it's now time to put the rice in.
yeah, but my mushrooms haven't started cooking, have they?
Well, they're not white, are they?
Alright, okay. Alright, okay.
Okay, so
None of the flavourful stuff's in there.
not yet.
Okay, okay, so you want the rice in there, yeah?
Yeah, so now the rice goes in.
Boy, there'd be a hell of a lot of steam by the time that comes out. You wait and see. Put the rice in.
Yeah, it says put the rice in. Add
There we
the
go
rice.
then. Are you watching?
I'm watching. I'm watching.
There's the rice. It's in there.
Beautiful. Let's eat. Okay.
That's
it's,
it.
like 5 minutes.
Huh?
5 minutes at least. You
Now,
have-
does it say
you have
turn
to-
the heat up?
It says your heat should be at like 8.5.
Do I need more oil?
No, it doesn't say add more oil. It just says now though that you mix it all around and you got to do this for like 5 minutes.
More heat? Does he have it on super hot? Oh.
No, well he doesn't have it on super hot. He said like medium high, which is where you are. And it says you need to break up all your clumps.
What was that for?
I don't know, but we need at least another 3 minutes.
Oh God Almighty! Yeah, this isn't even fried yet. You know. Does it say mushrooms in fried rice?
Yes, mushroom fried rice.
Are you sure that?
It says use your spatula to alternate between stir frying the rice and flattening it against the surface of the wok to break up any large clumps.
Yeah, well, we ain't got no large clumps in
And
ours.
heat it through until the rice is steaming. Once it is warmed, then this is very important, or the sauce will not mix well and the color of the rice will not be uniform. You have to, once your 5 minutes is up, then you
5 minutes on the timer?
yeah. Then you stir up your sauce mix, which is over there
Yeah.
in that bowl. You give it another little, whiskey whisk. And then you pour that in and you mix that around. You immediately mix with a scooping motion to evenly coat the rice once you put your sauce mix in.
The last thing we want is the rice to go stodgy.
No, add more heat if you think you need it.
Huh?
Add more heat if you think you need it. That is no heat. Okay, we'll come back again once we've reached our 5 minutes. Okay, so here we are, back at the rice. Dad's not happy. Why aren't you happy, Dad?
It's going a bit stodgy.
Okay, well, let's continue on and see how we end up. Says to add your sauce and immediately mix with a scooping motion to evenly cover the rice.
Evenly cover?
Yep. And then get your scooper scooping.
Where's your each thing you cook, you want to get the liquid out of, first of all, because it's just more liquid you put in, it's making the rice go stodgy. So cook the rice first. Cook the rice first for about 10 minutes, giving it a good old, stir around. Then I'd put the egg in, I think, make it egg fried rice. Stir that in till that's cooked. Then I might take, well, the mushrooms really, I would have thought would have been done, or at least partly done.
So, we might have to try this one again. So while that's doing that, I'm going to...
What about the egg?
Okay, well, when you're satisfied with the rice, then you can put the egg and the other mushrooms in, but they only take like a minute or two. Or onion, I mean, yeah.
The only what?
They only take like a minute. Oh my goodness.
There's just a few.
Did you eat them?
I suppose that's why the...
Sounds good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Does it look like a blood? Does it look like it?
Yeah. It does, actually. Okay, so we'll get ready to serve. And so here we have mushroom fried rice with our noodles. I have soy sauce on mine, and Dad is going to put teriyaki sauce on his.
Good gracious me. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit there. Like that. Come on. Good gracious me. A little bit there like that. A little bit there like that. Like that. A bit more in there. Like that. And then you put a little bit on here like this.
I'm not standing the right way. Oh, look! It's Happy Chinese and Happy Phil. All right, how's it taste, Chef?